Hello guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Tiny Blue House in a Pond sa Pampanga, sa Candaba, Pampanga. And we will be celebrating Mama's 60th birthday. So yan, it's currently around 9 a.m. And ganito kainit, pero 11 a.m. pa yun actually. Yun. And medyo mainit pala. Init. Yan. Sige tayo. So ito yung lugar. So if you guys want to rent this as well, if you're around Candaba, Santa Ana, Pampanga, kasi ano lang to, boundary lang to ng Candaba and Santa Ana, sa may bandang malapit sa police station. Ayan, so kaya siya tinawag na Tiny Blue House in a Pond kasi napapaligiran ka ng mga fish ponds. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda lang ng view dito, di ba? Talagang napapaligiran ka ng pond, fish pond. Yun lang medyo pangit kasi parang may cement factory na bagong tayo over there. See? And ang view natin is yung Mount Arayat din. Habang wala pang mga bisita, syempre, photoshoot muna si Mother Dear. Hindi na kami kumuha ng video photographer. Kami-kami na lang talaga to.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Baka ako na.
Happy birthday.
Baka malalas mo. Baka tingnan mo yung inaano mo ha. Baka mataba.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish pa, wish pa.
Yeah, mag-message ka sa picture niyo. Thank you. Ay, Alaya! Thank you.
Thank you.
Alaya.